Welcome back to the channel, everyone. You know, the other day I was watching a friend try to edit a simple family vacation video using one of those free, super basic video editors. It was painful to watch. He spent an hour just trying to add some music without a giant watermark plastered all over it.
Oh, the watermark of doom. We've all been there. It's that moment you realize you need a real video editor, but you don't want to spend a fortune. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. If you're searching for a Filmora coupon code for 2025, or you're trying to figure out their different pricing plans, you've landed on the perfect video.
That's right. Today, we're not only going to review Filmora and break down their plans, but we're also going to show you a special trick to get an extra discount that most people don't know about. I'm Evelyn, by the way.
And I'm Matt. Let's dive in.
Let's be real. Video editing can feel super intimidating. You see these professional YouTubers with amazing effects, and you open up a program like Adobe Premiere Pro, and it just looks like the cockpit of a spaceship.
It's so true. There are a million buttons, and you just want to add some text and cut out the boring parts. The big problem is finding a tool that is powerful enough to make your videos look great, but simple enough that you don't need to go to film school to use it.
And that is the sweet spot where Filmora lives. It's a fantastic video editor that is incredibly user-friendly, but packed with powerful features that let you create professional-looking videos without the headache.
It's my go-to recommendation for anyone who wants to get serious about video but isn't a professional editor. It has everything you need: advanced features, creative assets, and now a ton of mind-blowing AI tools to make your life even easier.
Okay, so let's break down the Filmora pricing plans, because this is where people get a little confused. We've got the basic, the advanced, and the perpetual plan. Let's start with basic.
The basic plan is a monthly subscription. It's great if you have a short-term project. It gets you all the essentials, over 100 advanced editing features, 4K export, no watermark, and access to over 2 million creative assets. It's a solid starting point.
But the real magic starts with the advanced plan, right? That's the one they label as popular.
Absolutely. The advanced plan is an annual subscription, and this is where all the cool AI stuff comes in. You get everything in basic, plus a ton of AI features like text-to-speech, AI music generation, smart scene cut, and 1,000 AI credits per month to use them. For most people creating content regularly, this is the best value hands down.
So it's for people who want the latest and greatest features always updated. Now, what about this perpetual plan? It sounds a little different.
It is. The perpetual plan is a one-time payment. You buy it once and you own that version of Filmora, in this case Filmora 14, forever. You get all the core editing features, but you don't get the continuous AI feature updates that the subscription plans have.
So who is the perpetual plan for?
It's perfect for someone who just wants a solid, reliable video editor that they own outright. If you're not bothered about having the newest AI tool every few months and you hate subscriptions, the perpetual plan is a fantastic choice.
Okay, this is the part everyone's been waiting for. We know there are deals out there, but how do we get the absolute best Filmora coupon code?
All right, so here's the secret. The link in our video description will take you to the official Filmora page with the best current public offer. But we can do even better.
Ooh, I love this part. Tell them the trick.
So once you click the link in the description and land on their pricing page, I want you to do something a little weird. Just wait there for about 30 to 45 seconds. Maybe scroll up and down a bit. Then slowly move your mouse cursor up towards the top of the browser like you're about to close the tab or go back.
But don't actually close it.
Exactly, don't close it. A pop-up alert box will often appear offering you an extra special discount of up to 20% off just for sticking around. It's a little exit intent offer that they use to keep you from leaving, and it's your key to getting the absolute lowest price possible.
So to wrap this all up, Filmora is a fantastic, easy-to-use video editor from everyone from beginners to seasoned creators. And you can get it for a huge discount.
Whether you choose the subscription for all the latest AI goodies or the perpetual plan to own it forever, make sure you use our trick to get that extra discount. To get started, all you have to do is click the first link right in the video description below.
Remember the steps. Click the link, wait a bit, and then pretend like you're going to leave to trigger that secret pop-up offer. It's the best Filmora coupon code you're going to find.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If this video helped you save some money, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And be sure to subscribe for more tips and deals. We'll see you in the next one.